What's going on, vlog? We're bringing you another episode of Bay Mother Freaking Bites. We got Fernando in the building.
What's up, motherfuckers? We in East Palo Alto, California. We about to, I don't know, grub, eat. Paul Market right here. Supposedly the people come from Richmond, California, all the way over here. Woo. We got told we gotta try 5 of each. 5 of each.
And I heard this is on Omar.
Yeah, he's paying.
This is on Omar, guys.
I think he's gonna fucking pull up right now and pay for this shit too. So thank you, Omar Mendoza, Dozas Dogs. Follow him on Instagram, my guys.
This video is sponsored by Dozas Dogs and it's sponsored by Wet Media. Look at the parking. Keep the parking. You see what's going on.
Shit, what happened here, dog?
Bro, some old guy hit me.
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
I tried suing Raph too. Quick Spanish segment of the day. Me gusta las viejas nalgonas.
That lady looked over here. That's crazy.
By the way, if you guys enjoy these food eating videos, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
Damn, boy. Yo. You got the dirt bikes out. Oh, okay. Okay. Hold on.
That's disrespectful, bro.
We're getting pulled up on right now.
What's going on, dog? I want to see the taco spot.
The other side, put on the post office.
Oh, okay, sure.
You gotta turn that hoe around.
We'll walk there. We're gonna walk there.
I'll see you guys right there.
Lock it up.
Okay.
Like you said, we are in East Palo Alto, and if you guys are ever in this area, make sure to drop by Paul Market. This is where you can get all of your carne asada, a bunch of your seasoned meat for tacos, anything meat related. You come here, and it's like a liquor store. And Fernando and his family put
This
me
the
on.
hood market right here, bro. You want to cash your
good.
checks, you want
good.
some meat, you want some tacos, everything right here. Look at this. Look, just because you have a little money doesn't mean you can park right here all willy-nilly, bro. What if I would've came out? No. What if I would have came out and I needed this parking, bro?
I'm handicap certified, Playboy.
Shoot your car, dog. Come on, let's go.
Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy.
buddy.
Guys, are we even eating? What are we doing? It's been like 4 minutes, bro. Where's the food?
It's over here, bro. Come on. That man confused. Look at him. He about to get hit. Oh, bro, he moved from a handicap into what? A red stripe parking, bro. That is no parking. Now we can't see the tacos, dog. No,
Fireman test.
we can't see the tacos no more. Look.
Burlingame for 20 minutes at midnight. I'm like, dude, there's no other parking. Handicap it. Come out 30 minutes later. $333 ticket outside.
It's like this is not new to you, huh?
That was the most expensive in-and-out trip I've ever had.
Stop doing that, bro.
That's why you were kind of double thinking
No, I
that,
was
right?
like, screw that. Not anymore. Hola, ¿cómo están?
Me dijo este muchacho que los tacos mejores de la área de la bahía. ¿Sí o no?
No vine en el caballo hoy, pero...
Pero aquí estamos nosotros, mira.
a comer.
Sí, pásale. Uno al pastor, uno asada, uno pollo, uno chorizo y uno campechano.
Yeah, eso es todo. 6. I'm getting one of these, dog. You do what you gotta do.
I'll do it. I'll do that too. Maybe like 4 asada.
4 de asada.
Need one more, dog. Come on, don't do that, bro. At least one chicken. You won't finish it?
Quesadillas?
Quesadillas.
I got a small stomach.
I'll finish it. Shit.
No carne, vegetariana.
Okay, chill.
Man, dog.
So far, it feels like a family kind of cookout vibe. You know what I'm saying? It feels very homey. I can tell the food's gonna be good. It smells amazing already. Screenshot if y'all want to support. Look at this. Oh, was I covering the phone number?
I don't know.
Let me try this again. There you go.
She just told me you're going to San Francisco to one of those you can't have your cell phone in the party type of events, bro.
Oh.
She
Can
just
neither
told me.
confirm nor deny.
Can you confirm that?
Okay.
He told me last time he went to the, what is it called?
The Diddy party.
Put him in the sun, dog. Put him in the sun. Oh. What else you got on? Let me go ahead and take it off real quick. This is how you do it right here. Look.
Fernando, did you have a little green sauce?
We got a. Should I?
Yeah, 100%.
Oh, he said that? Let me go add a green sauce, bro. Come on.
You gotta put it all on.
You know,
What's
I
up with
gotta
the green
be-
sauce?
Hey, sprinkle some little yeah.
Thank you. Gracias. Wow. This looks good.
Fire, dog.
Let's go dress these up.
Oh,
Before and after.
bro. There's
kiss me,
pineapple.
kiss me.
Nah, what the hell? What's going on, bro?
She wants to see.
Nah. Oh, boy.
Wait, Omar, let him know how you pulled up last time to here.
You know, I had to bring my boy Chef, the horse, rode him all the way down the street from the farm, tied his ass up to the light pole, got off and had tacos.
Hey, if you guys need dog boarding services, you hit them up. Link is down below in the
Take care of
description.
dogs, man.
Use my discount code down below. Get you 1 free night.
What's the code, dog?
SINTB. Just send him a DM. He'll take care of you.
That's crazy. Hey, hella fire. They're a little spicy, but they fire.
He just took a bite without being on video.
It's okay.
That's kind of crazy.
What do you mean?
Okay.
You need your cucumber. You need your radishes. You know what I'm saying? Because we on a diet too. If you really think about it, 2 tortillas per taco, and I got 5 tacos. How much is that?
10.
Exactly. The other 5 are coming. Real one, bro. And she a vegetarian, and she over here watching us eat meat tacos.
We're
bro.
so sorry.
She's so solid, bro.
I'm used to
You
it.
gotta keep her, dog.
She's a cheap date, guys, when we go to steakhouse, I'll tell you that.
Hella cheap, bro.
Which
She
we go
be
to
getting
all
a
the time.
salad. She be getting a salad.
We have a question. What's his name? This he vlog for YouTube?
This famous guy right here?
This guy.
Damn.
His name is Mr. Beast.
Yeah, right.
Layla.
How's it?
He ain't eating. I'm eating this shit hot, bro.
He almost done with this meal.
Hey, once you had me tacos,
I'm almost done too.
I'm eating, bro.
Which one was your favorite?
Honestly, bro, you should go with Al Pastor.
Damn, bro, I'm gonna get hella fat.
Solid.
Very solid.
You put the lime, dog, did you?
Bro, look at how he ate that.
No!
Did you side bite that, dog?
Wait,
Hold
that's how
on.
you eat tacos? Go show the lady right now. Very
Just
good,
so
very
everybody knows, bro, he's not from the Bay Area, okay? He's from somewhere in the valley. And nobody knows.
good. Let me show y'all the hack real quick. Okay, we're down to our last taco, right? We're gonna scooch this one over. Get this
Oh
one.
my god, he's making a mess.
Wait, no, I'm gonna fix it.
Bruh.
They're stuck, they're kind of stuck.
Bruh.
All right, see this? Now, put this on there, you got 2 tacos.
Smart man right there.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Thank you. You can say hi to the vlog. You'll be
Hi.
a torta.
Yeah.
That's different from the tortas I'm used to.
Now we got a motherfucking torta up in here, cuz. You gotta have an onion.
What's your saying?
She ain't 280, she ain't a lady, fool. What you mean? Ali's gonna get one, so I should probably add more, huh?
Yeah, put hell on here. You like spicy.
And a little bit of the green one, just in case, dog. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have the pineapple, dog. I'm over here making a mess, but it is what it is. You feel me? We got grilled pineapple over here. And then you put this on the side, dog. That's it. Come on. That one's yours, dog.
That specific one? You poisoned it?
I just put a little bit extra hot sauce
Okay.
type shit. Put it
All
on
right,
your plate,
let's
dog.
see this. Oh, Raph can't try this. Dang it.
It's okay.
Sorry, Raph.
I'm pretty full.
Wait, can you help me pull this side?
That's so romantic.
Lady in the tramp. Oh, it's cheesy.
This
huh?
bread is very soft. Like very soft. Look at this. It's so soft. Hold on, let me.
Yeah, look at that, bro. Oh.
How's it?
Oh.
Winner right there.
Oh wow.
Honestly, bro,
I think
this might be
Better than tacos?
I think this is better than tacos. They're both really good, but this is juicy.
Damn. Smack City, cuz we don't say slap when we eat.
Dude,
food,
I
bruh.
know.
We say smack
People
in the
start
Bay
saying
Area,
that.
bruh. It shouldn't be allowed anywhere in the United States or the world, honestly.
Does the food slap?
Smacks.
Smack.
Chat, take a bite. Oh shit.
Damn, bro. Shout out my boy for sponsoring only $100 worth of food.
Hey, dog, money's
just
money,
wanna do it.
dog.
Thank you.
You listen, motherfucker?
Well, you're hungry, bro. You're
Ungrateful. Ungrateful.
Let's keep in mind,
Be your own family.
buddy ate
Get out,
10
dog.
tacos just now, and now he's eating a whole ass torta.
Mm-hmm. Oh, my bad. Get a piece of grilled pineapple, dog.
Yum.
Hey, let's talk about something real quick, bro. My boy got motion. You got recognized.
No, I didn't. No, I didn't.
Oh my God! You should have done. God damn.
Oh no.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm back, bro. We just finished up the tacos.
Where are we at?
We at the ranch right now. We're gonna get our taco rating in a little bit, but we need to just walk you guys around the ranch while we still have daylight. So let's go.
Oh, they got hella big, dog. They got hella
Dude, last time they were way smaller.
Mario, what did you end up naming it?
Freckles.
He's ready to go.
Whoa, relax. It's the girl. He likes the girl.
He likes Freckles. Yes. Oh! He's it. No. Don't do that. This one's really chill. This one's like me. Very chill. Chill guy. But he's a menace though. It's the shiesty. It's been Raf's dream to ride a horse, and he's just not riding any regular horse. This is El Galan. This is a beautiful horse. He about to ride the horse for the first time. It's gonna be a good day. Oh, it's not?
I rode one like last week, bro.
Bro.
You didn't ride the horse.
I did ride a horse last week. Not this one.
He cheated on us.
Oh, that's crazy.
Dude, I rode a horse when I
bro.
was like 7.
Nah.
I went on it and my cousin
But
smacked it and it
was it like this?
This is a French.
Yeah.
Free-
Yeah,
Frisian,
put some
huh?
respect.
Dude, I rode one in China. It was like in the mountains.
Put some respect. Frisian gypsy.
bro.
Okay, so they're installing a horse walker right here. So basically this thing is gonna spin around and the horses could get a lot of exercise with this. Similar to the ones you see at the flea market.
Yeah, with the ponies, bro, we don't support that over there. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. They getting worked on. You know.
Not cool, not cool.
This is just for you know, family, cowboys, and Alex. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, you look kind of buff. You look a little tan.
Type shit.
Oh wow.
He gon' fucking eat shit.
Where you going, Raph? Okay.
Ah, shit.
Right here's good?
My boy Shay Muscle, look at them legs, dog. Look at them legs.
I'll walk on Mercedes.
Type shit. You know, my boy straight AMG horsepower right there.
Did you do that earlier?
No.
He kinda
I don't know
did,
how.
dog, honestly.
Yeah, you kind of took off.
Yeah, bro.
Nah.
What a shelf that, huh?
I think
All right, y'all, we just got back home. We want to end this video right here with our overall rating of the tacos. Tacos were solid. I would give them like an 8 out of 10. Very solid tacos.
It's 7.9 for me, but for the tacos, but the torta, 9.5. Hella good. That one was fire.
Hey, I got distracted. Stop! I'd say probably like 8.
Solid 8 out of 10.
I think what would make it better is if they had the handmade tortillas.
So you want them to work more?
Basically.
Okay.
Say it with your chest, dog.
I'm just saying.
Bro. It was good though. It was fire, bro. Fire. But everybody knows if they have handmade tortillas, it gives it 2 more points, dog. Honestly.
All right, you guys, we're gonna end it right here. We'll see you for another episode of Bay Bites. On the next one, we're out.
Bye, Felicia.
Bye.